welcome everybody. On this scenario right here, I just want you to pay attention to this technique, right? And this high technique is very useful and it is very effective on your opponent. But if you know how to use that and you sense your opponent's move, you sense your opponent's next move, right? So you stand on your move, right? You stand on your Wing Chun technique right here. Your opponent just punch right here. You pat his hand to this side and you're at the same time your opponent punch right here. Now your opponent is a MMA fighter or a kickboxer, right? So once you succeed in use that 1-2, so and you have to know how to do that 1-2. So you have to know how to and you work on your time, right? So once you are perfect with doing in using that, your opponent can easily kick you. But mind you, your opponent won't kick you from this side because you do this 1-2. So and your opponent is going to notice that once you use this attack, this hand right here, for him to kick you from this angle, you can easily defeat that angle. You can easily defend that angle. You can easily secure that angle. So your opponent will apply from this angle, right? So that is why I said you have to sense every move of your opponent, and you notice your weak point as you are attacking, as you are deflecting your hand, right? So because if you sense your weak point, you are going to notice and you are going to know the next place for your opponent to attack, right? So that is the work of that. So like this. So once you attend to this, and your opponent is going to go for your side right there because you notice that you have already opened this side, right? So just go. So now you first want to go with that. So because your opponent also is moving back, so he can easily deflect your hand, right? You use punch or use punch, right? So you just go like this. So and you deflect that kick. So right there. So so that is one. So the punch, as you can see, is so just go like that. So just go like that. So that is number 2. No, but you have to step in. So now, in order to let you punch your opponent, in order to let you hit your opponent, surprisingly, so you have to add another attack to your opponent, and that attack is going to be unknown to your opponent. So right here, just go like this. So just go with that. Sorry. So you just go with that. So you just go like, so use this. So you know how to use your both hand correctly. But if I thought you are fast enough, you cannot go. If you are fast enough, you can still use this hand once your opponent deflects that. So you just go like this. So once you go like this, your opponent secure this hand right here. So you now use the method of simulation and redirection. You just go like this. So and if you are do your home assignment very well, you will have noticed, and if you have been following me, you have subscribed to my YouTube, and if you have been following me, you have been watching my YouTube video from the beginning, you will have noticed some method like this. So because some method like when you apply like this and the pressure of your opponent is too much on this hand, you just a little bit, you stimulate with the force right here, you now go like this, you now redirect your hand. So that is that about that, to create an effective hit. So you just use that method on your opponent, right? So you just go so at the same time. So that is that about that. I hope you can see that area and you can understand it right. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that now so that you won't miss interesting video like this on my YouTube page. And if you want me to do video on anything, just ask me at the comment section and I'll be right here to answer your question. And if you want to join my personal online training, ask for it at the comment section also. And I will be right here to tell you how you can join my personal online training, in which I'm going to teach you everything in full details in a way that you are going to become expert. Thank you and keep on training. Peace and heart.